Hello and welcome to Sharmila's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate sponge cake in microwave. It is very easy to make. Just spend 5 minutes and you will get a delicious and lovely chocolate sponge cake. So let's start with the ingredients. 100 gram all-purpose flour, 150 gram granulated sugar, 100 gram melted butter, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 50 milliliter milk, few drops of vanilla essence and colorful gems. First grease any microwave proof container with the help of a butter so that the cake will not stick to the container and the cake can come off easily, and keep it aside. Now in a mixing bowl, break eggs, put butter, sugar and few drops of vanilla essence, and I am going to beat them together. I am using this electric hand blender. If you don't have this one, you can use this whisk or spoon, or you can use any mixie. Now I am beating them together at lower speed. Beating should be done until the batter becomes double in volume and forms ribbons. It takes approx 8 to 10 minutes, and also make sure when you are beating eggs and butter together, the blender and the container is completely clean, because if there is any grease or something inside the bowl, they will prevent the eggs from whipping to their full volume. As you can see, the mixture is nice thick and fluffy, and when you raise the spoon, it falls down and creates a kind of ribbons. And this is the stage I am looking for. Now put all-purpose flour, baking powder and cocoa powder and sieve them together. The reason of sieving like this is it ensures they incorporated well with each other, and if there is something that is not good like grains or any impurities, sieving will remove all those elements. Now put the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, half at a time. Fold it generously. Put the remaining wet ingredients and very simply cut and fold. Don't beat this time, because whatever air present in the mixture will go away, and as a result you will not get a soft, nice fluffy cake. And add milk. Just mix gently. Pour the batter in the greased container. Now top it up with gems. You can use dry fruits or chocolate chips to this. Now it will go in the microwave. Now put it in the microwave and set the time for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let it stand for 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes over, take out the cake. Now our chocolate cake is ready. You can see this is firm, soft, and when you touch, it is springing back. Now how do you know the cake is completely done inside or not? For this, take a toothpick and insert in the center of the cake. See, the toothpick came out completely clean, means it is well baked inside. If not, the batter will stuck to the toothpick. Your delicious chocolate sponge cake is ready. You can top it up with whipped cream, melted chocolate, or anything you wish to. It has shelf life of 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, the taste of the cake may not good. Better if you have them immediately. If you like my recipes, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, please comment below.